Stop the buffering and playback errors. Here is how to fix YouTube TV playback issues in 3 simple steps. I'm your Sleek Guides educator and we're getting you back to your favorite shows right now. Just a quick reminder, these steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Playback errors can happen for various reasons, from temporary network glitches to outdated app cache data. Before we dive in, ensure your internet connection is stable. If other apps are working, the issue is likely with YouTube TV itself. Step 1. Force restart. Don't just minimize the app, you need to close it completely from your device settings. On a smart TV or streaming stick, navigate to Settings, Apps, find YouTube TV and select Force Stop or Restart. For a deeper reset, unplug your streaming device from the power source for 60 seconds. This clears the temporary memory. Step 2. Check for updates. An outdated app version is a common culprit for playback interruptions. Head to your device's app store, search for YouTube TV, and if you see an update button, click it immediately. Also, check if your TV or streaming device needs a system firmware update. Both need to be in sync for smooth streaming. Step 3. Clear the cache. This removes corrupted temporary files without deleting your login info. Select Clear Cache. Be careful not to select Clear Data unless you want to log in again from scratch. If the cache clear doesn't work, a quick uninstall and reinstall of the app is your final best bet for a clean slate. Avoid third-party fix-it tools or unofficial recovery services. These are security risks and often scams. Only use official settings. If issues persist, contact official support at 833-389-2054 or visit their official help site. To recap, restart the app, update your software, and clear your cache. You'll be back to your stream in no time. If this helped, hit that subscribe button for more Sleek Guides. I'm your tech educator. Thanks for watching.